This video provides a quick guide to the Syndeia Web Dashboard Release 3.7. Additional videos will look at each of the primary features in greater depth. The Web Dashboard has changed significantly from earlier releases, and reviewing these videos will familiarize you with these greater capabilities. The Global Dashboard homepage displays key metrics for the Syndeia Cloud deployment as a whole. In particular, this instance of Syndeia Cloud contains 337 separate digital thread projects, each representing a single system or a single variant of a system. Those 337 threads contain a total of 36,433 individual intermodal connections. The pie charts underneath indicate collectively these threads have connections to 172 repositories, 1,965 containers, and 53,929 artifacts. Hovering over a segment provides more information. If you need to review these concepts, a quick source is the API overview accessible through the Help menu icon on the left, or the videos in Part 19, particularly Graph Data Model for Syndeia Cloud. The main menu bar on the left side can be expanded or collapsed. In general, most users will be concerned with the specific digital thread projects they are working on. We can see the projects that the user has permissions for. Clicking on one opens its own project page. The Search and View All icons can also take the user to a specific project page. Yet another way to open a specific digital thread project is through the Digital Thread Projects icon in the main menu bar on the left. Here in the Digital Thread Project dashboard is a list of all the projects for which I have permissions. Note that the landing page reported that Syndeia was managing 337 projects, but apparently I only have permissions for 17. If I select one of them, I open a new set of tabs specific to that project, with Home, Explore, Workspace, Reports, Baselines, and Settings tabs. There are video tutorials on each of these features. Going down the menu bar, there is the Repositories icon, which gives us access to those lower-level repositories which the user is authorized to access. Videos 1.9 and 1.10 describe the features of this page. Note that this particular page is not specific to any single digital thread project, so it can show us only the underlying repository data, not its connection to other domains. This is a change from the Syndeia 3.5 release. Next, we have the Graph Queries page. The capabilities of graph analysis to analyze and visualize the digital thread are discussed in detail in Module 19 under the Syndeia Web Dashboard tutorials and are largely unchanged from the 3.5 release. A new feature in Syndeia 3.7 is the Digital Pipelines page, where existing digital pipelines for workflow automation can be viewed and run. Individual pipelines can be viewed graphically, and a summary of previous runs can be displayed as a table. This feature is described in videos 1.15 and 1.16. Clicking the Help icon provides an online link to all Syndeia documentation, plus a link to the Intercax Help Desk, where users can post a question, report a problem, request upgrades, or even leave feedback about these tutorials. The My Profile icon opens a page where I can view my Syndeia account information and permissions. These include both global permissions, which apply to the Syndeia database, which are set by the Syndeia administrator, and project-specific permissions, which are set by the individual project leads. Watch video 1.5 for more information about project permissions. Here is a summary of some of the additional video tutorials mentioned in this quick tour of the Syndeia web dashboard. All should be available on Intercax's Open Confluence training site.